A ready-to-learn number story from the series by Learning Made Easy.
Sammy stood tall by a pile of blocks, out in the garden past the old rocks. Soon I'll count by twos and I'll soar by the fives. But now for the biggest of all snaily dives.
Sammy the snail had a wonderful plan. Big numbers are easy, said Confident Sam. If you can count to 10, then I'll show you the way. You can count any number, starting today.
Sammy lined up blocks 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 10. Come count with me. He smiled real big and said, "Here is the trick. When I reach 10, I don't stop. I stack it up quick." 10, that's one full group, Sammy said loud. One bundle of 10, that's a win. Say it now.
Then Sammy had another one right beside 20.
Two tens together, numbers grow wide.
Look what happens,
Sammy said with delight. I don't count every number in sight. I count groups of 10, that's easy, see. Big numbers are friendly when built by a snail like me.
30, that's 3 tens.
See them there,
40, 4 tens.
stack nice and square.
50, 5 groups of 10, what a view! If you can count to 10, said Sammy, then you can do this too. Sammy stacked blocks higher, careful but fast.
60,
6 tens, what a blast!
70,
7 tens, look how they grow.
80,
8 tens, now you know.
90,
Almost there, just 10 blocks more.
now you know.
100.
10 tens. Wow, look at that score.
Sammy stepped back and gave a big grin.
I didn't count every number to win.
I counted by tens, group after group. That's the base 10 system, the secret scoop. So remember, said Sammy, when numbers get tall, they're built from tens. That's the base of them all. If you can count to 10, then here is the truth. You can count to 100 and way beyond too. Sammy waved from the top of his blocks in the air.
Big numbers are friendly, so don't be scared.
With 10 little blocks and some confident wins,
You can count really big numbers,
counting 10 by 10.